Wordify language through form, meaning, and use. Hello and welcome to another new word, employer. It's a singular noun, and the meaning of this word is a person or organization that gives jobs to people. So an employer may be a person under whom you work, or maybe an organization where you work. So that organization may be a school, maybe a university, maybe a company, maybe any sort of organization that could be where you work. So that could be considered as an employer. In another way, we can say boss. That is to say, when it refers to a person, your employer is also your boss under whom you work. We have the examples. Apple is the largest employer in America. So here the word Apple refers to organization as an employer, and Apple as a company, as an organization, provides jobs to a number of people. My employer is a very good person. Here the word employer refers to a person. So employer may be an organization, maybe an institution, and maybe an individual. Employer, if you add s at the end, it becomes employers, and it's plural noun. In contrast, we have the words employee, a person who works under an employer. When you work in an organization, when you work in a school, when you work in a company, it means that you are an employee. So employee is the person who works in return for wages, in return for money. You are paid. Hope you understand the word. Thank you and goodbye. Wordify language through form, meaning, and use.